Are you looking to take your online business to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, Kajabi has a plan that fits all your needs perfectly. And let me show you how. Some people say, well, Kajabi is expensive, and when you're just starting out, minimum investment of $149 a month seems to be high, but that's why Kajabi has introduced a new plan called Kickstarter. And with Kickstarter, you can build your complete Kajabi website, start selling your first course for just $69 a month. And when you pay yearly, it's only $55 a month. And that's less than $2 a day to build an online business. Kajabi is perfect for beginners and professional businesses. It integrates everything you need to manage your online business, and from building a website to managing emails to creating courses. Think of Kajabi as a Swiss Army knife, and that's for your online business. And everything you need is in one place without all the hassle of juggling of multiple tools. Now let's break down the 4 available payment plans Kajabi has. As I just mentioned, the Kickstarter plan is a go as you grow plan. It's an option. It's a perfect option for those who haven't launched any products yet and don't have a mailing list and just want to start small. And priced at $69 a month, it includes a 14 days free trial. And this plan allows you to start building your online presence without a significant upfront investment. You can create your full website and extra landing pages. In a few clicks, you can add an opt-in page to start building your email list, and you get all the features to start developing your first product. And as your business grows, you can upgrade to a higher plan seamlessly. Know that once you upgrade it, you cannot downgrade back to the Kickstarter plan. And additionally, when you start with our partner link, you will receive our exclusive Kajabi Celebrite template. It's a special thank you page with confetti to enhance your audience engagement and make a memorable impression from the start. As the Kickstarter plan is brand new, Kajabi has 4 years 3 other plans: Basic, Growth and Pro, and each providing more features and capacity. And if you already have an online business or you already have a mailing list, these plans are for you. And when you want to choose the basic plan, it starts at $149 a month, and it's ideal for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started. You get 10,000 contacts and you get 3 products. And just know, when you have 10,000 people on your mailing list in active campaign, you pay just the same. And with Kajabi, you get also the website and also the learning environment. With the growth plan, it's the most popular plan, and it comes at $199 a month. It's the most popular plan, offering a perfect balance of features for growing businesses online. It gives you 15 products and 25,000 contacts. With the Pro plan, that is currently the most expensive plan, you start at $399 a month. It's designed for established business with extensive needs. For example, you get 100 products, 100,000 contacts, and you get 3 websites. These prices are all when you pay monthly. When you pay yearly, you get a 20% off on your monthly price, so that even reduces the price of Kajabi. With the Basic, the Growth and the Pro plan, you don't need to choose today which plan you want to use. You can just start with the doubled free trial when you use our partner link. You will get 30 days instead of the 14 days you will find on the Kajabi homepage. And before you start your paid subscription, you can switch to the plan that suits your needs. So you can just subscribe. Kajabi will say you get the growth plan, but before you start your subscription, you can change it to Basic or Pro or to yearly if you want to do this. I'm a dedicated Kajabi user since 2014. And I was called Kajabi Superstar, Partner Superstar of 2023. I've built multiple 6-figure online businesses with this platform alone, and their platform has helped creators generate over $7 billion in revenue With Kajabi there has been built 100,000 businesses and they served over 75 million customers. Since 2014 I've given live trainings and I've been featured in their promos. I've built WordPress websites since 2010 and always dreaded the updated stress. In 2016 Kajabi started with their all-in-one platform and that eliminated all the stress for me. I no longer needed multiple tools like ActiveCampaign or WordPress with all the plugins, or Vimeo for my videos, or membership software. With Kajabi it's all in one. We love to create new features like gamification and confetti. I love to enhance Kajabi and bring this to the Kajabi community. And as a programmer for Kajabi, I have a deep knowledge of Kajabi's capabilities and limitations, and I can guide you to success on this incredible platform. By using my affiliate link, you'll get double the free trial time and an exclusive bonus template like the Gamify Pro template when you start with the basic, the growth, or the pro plan. Or you can start with the 15 days free trial with the Kickstarter plan and you will get our marvelous Celebrite template. These templates can significantly enhance your website and course offerings by bringing more fun to enjoy to your courses and your website templates and landing pages. With these templates you can stand out from the rest. Know that as a Kajabi partner I get a little fee when you start your paid subscription. It doesn't cost you anything else, but because you do so, I like to thank you and give you one of our marvelous and famous templates as a bonus. So please don't get lost in the Kajabi plans. If you're just starting out, if you don't have a mailing list, if you don't have any products, start with the Kickstarter plan. And if you already have a mailing list or multiple products, you can start with basic, growth, or pro. Take immediate action and transform your online business with Kajabi and bring it to success. The bonuses we offer might change, so please look out to our website. It's jiffycoursesonline.com/Kajabi. And you find here everything about the plans and also about our bonuses. To wrap it up, Kajabi offers incredible tools and support to help you grow your online business. And with the special trial offers and the exclusive template bonuses, now it's the best time to start with Kajabi. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. You can use the image here on the page. And for more details about the templates, for more details about the plans at Kajabi, go to www.jiffycoursesonline.com/Kajabi. See you in the next video. I'm Bastiaan de Koning for Jiffy Course Online. Bye.